Well, the Department of Community Safety is made up of a number of service agencies, and they include the Queensland Fire and Rescue Service, the Queensland Ambulance Service, Queensland Corrections Service, and Emergency Management Queensland, along with the corporate roles that go with making that business model come together. So they're very strongly emergency services focused, and we obviously also working very closely with the police throughout our daily work. Well, the problem that we have is between the ambulance service and the fire service, we respond to about 1 million tasks a year through our 000 service. We have a computer-aided dispatch system that gives us enormous intelligence about those taskings, where they are, time of day, typically the sorts of roads that we would use and so forth. We have a traffic management system over in our main roads area that has an enormous intelligence about the traffic system. So what we did is turn our minds to how we might better combine those two sets of, or converge those, the intelligence of those two systems, so that we can deploy our people in safer environments, safer both for our AMBOs and our fireys and police when they're on task, but secondly the broader public, in terms of we don't really want any more of our people running red lights than are necessary, so we want to provide a safer environment for everybody involved. So what this system does is, when we deploy a unit to a task, essentially the traffic system can predict where they might need to go, when they might be there, so that what we are in fact doing is clearing the roads on the way to task, so that they arrive at a traffic intersection on green and a clear intersection. Now that's the basic principle of what we set out to do. It's a tremendous encouragement to our people. We've got very clever people working on these teams to develop these innovations, and it's wonderful to see recognition from their peers, both in the industry and across the government sector, as to how innovative these solutions are. And not only that, I think it gives us great encouragement that there'll be wider utility across the world for this application. It's not just unique to our service. Well, certainly with the development of this innovation, it gives us great encouragement to more widely use the intelligence from our traffic management and computer-aided dispatch systems. So the old saying goes, success begets success. What we're looking to do is see what we can now build into this as a second stage, so that we can manoeuvre our people through the system a whole lot smarter than we currently do.